When I was a kid, I lived right off of I-94, and I could hear the trucks. I could hear the engines. When I heard that sound as a kid, I thought, well, where's that trucker going down the road?
I believe the heart and soul of this nation has a lot to do with the trucking industry. Everything is brought to you by trucker. My truck is my livelihood. My truck is my second home. It's almost like an extension of me.
Technology plays a tremendous role between fleet manager and the drivers. I make sure that our drivers are safe. I am their connection. KeepTruckin makes it easy for our drivers to communicate with us, and we know exactly where they are. The driver's accountable, and it keeps us accountable.
Trucking is a very tough career. The road beats you up, but it's very rewarding if you like it.
Thunderstorms, tornadoes, 15, 20 below zero. We pretty much expect anything. It's a challenge every single day out here on the roadways in America, definitely.
After we've worked 70 hours in a week, we have to reset our hours. And that's where the software comes in. It helps us determine when we take our time off. Hey, it happened right in front of me. There's really not much I can do.
In the past, drivers have been held responsible, even if they weren't the cause of an accident. KeepTruckin helps us to identify if the driver was at fault or not.
You know, any kind of help that we can get, we welcome that to promote safety out here on the highway.
Some people still think of the Old West, the trucker with the cowboy boots.
We all used to be cowboys out on the open road. It was a lifestyle, it was a different personality. The culture is changing. There's such a need for drivers now. Let's get them all the help they can get. Electronic logs, dash cams. Technology has come a long ways.
KeepTruckin has enabled us to be a better team.
Trucking is something I'm going to do the rest of my life.
I love new adventures every day. That's what keeps me going.